Cybersecurity tips. Cybersecurity is crucial in today's digital world to protect sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access or attacks. Here are some essential guidelines for practicing effective cybersecurity. Use strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for each online account, using a combination of letters, both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdates or common words. 2. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. Whenever possible, enable MFA for your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. 3. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, web browsers, and software applications. Updates often include security patches to fix vulnerabilities that cybercriminals may exploit. 4. Use a firewall. Enable the firewall on your computer and network router to protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. 5. Be cautious with emails. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. Cybercriminals often use phishing emails to trick users into revealing sensitive information. 6. Regular backups. Back up your important data regularly to an external hard drive or cloud storage. This protects you from data loss due to hardware failure, ransomware attacks, or other issues. 7. Secure Wi-Fi networks. Use strong passwords for your Wi-Fi networks, and avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks like online banking or accessing personal accounts. 8. Secure mobile devices. Apply security measures to your smartphones and tablets, such as passcodes or biometric authentication, and be cautious when downloading apps from unofficial sources.